I should wake up the girls because it's time. It's already they're almost late for school. Like tomorrow's day, and I have to get them ready. So yeah. Let's climb up the stairs to Belle's room first because Aurora always a sleepyhead. Mom, I heard you. Whatever. Belle, wake up, wake up. What, Mom? It's morning, and plus a tornado's coming, so we gotta hurry. Can you please just wake up your sister? Please. Okay, Mom. Sis, wake up. I just look outside. Wake up now, girl. Okay. Hey. And Belle sees a tornado. This is a nice, lovely day. Tornado! My mom was right there. Was a tornado? I better tell her. Meanwhile, when the tornado signs for Norway, meow, 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 meow. Oh no! I better tell Aurora. Come on, Belle. We gotta be safe. Aurora, let's go. Where are we going? And one place was not safe. Everywhere except for here. Meanwhile, when we were here, okay, girls, stay in here. I'll see if the tornado's not. Oh, the tornado's gone, but it's fine. Okay, girls, yeah. So, girls, we finished your dinner. Go to sleep. Okay, Mom. Here's your bedroom, and here's my bedroom. And something happened. The power went off. When they woke up, let's play on my iPad. What? Why is it not working? Why's the power not working? I need to put the right password, and I hope I don't wake up the girls. There we go. Dang it. There we go. Power's back on. And guys, I hope you enjoyed part 1 and part 2. I will do more parts in the future. Bye, guys.